Obviously showed yourself. Can't see them through the bushes, can we?
Smoke there. I feel like there's a blue here.
We're gonna have to push in. So, right. They're over there, Dan. Go through the woods. I'm sure if it was a red or a blue.
You're there, that's down there.
Yeah, we'll
that's one of them.
Down there.
Cool, bro.
If you thought I'd be at that distance, I would have called my head. Oh, sorry.
Through the bunker.
Through the bunker of car. No, you just actually to the right of the tree where he's at. The terrain, the tree where he's in front of him. He dropped out the tree as well.
Just at the tree, innit, yeah.
Yeah, you're about 5 metres off on that one.
Turn the hop up and watch them fly. I got that on video as well.
Yeah.
You dead?
Yeah.
Spawn here, boys.
But blues have just ran down to him, this is my point. The one down here at the bottom is red.
Just spawn at the post there, he'll be alright. There is some blues that have just tried to come round here, but that's them two dead ones. Yeah, let them come down. Yeah, well, any of them are. It's not contested, so you're alright for a minute. There's still someone there, I can see him.
I've not reached them, well, they're not falling the hits.
Someone behind that bush.
Red.
Red, red. Huh?
You have two trees.
Shoot. Shoot.
See that tree where I just aimed?
Right, watch that way.
Yeah, in between the two trees. See him? Yeah, we're not hitting them, or they're not taking the hits.
Leave them, the marshal's there. If they get hit, they'll call it. The marshal will.
You fucker.
Loud in here, isn't it?
Hello.
Soon I'm going to see a knife come out of both of you, and then you're just going to have a knife fight, ain't you?
Well, well, alright, you use the knife.
No, a better idea actually, come here. A dead one.
His arms up, Dean.
Get him anyway.
Let God sort them out!
Can't shoot because oh, that's tactical. That is.
Respawn post there, right?
Huh?
They shouldn't be. There is on the
It's contested.
Marshal, yeah.
That's Shaggy in front.
No. Ben. I see you. Hello. Oh, you fucker. Oh, just can't see if it's red or blue.
On the way down to yours. He's smiling!
Stop it.
I know you enjoy it!
Have you come to join the party, have you?
Hey, you're my brother, Dave. Fucking hell, man.
Ooh, incest, even better, come here.
Dome you, I will.
No. I guess it's so far, we knock them back down again.
You sent all them reds out to get the VIP, and none of them have come back with the VIP.
Yeah, because we left the better players here, that's why.
Oh, the Blues are pussies!
Shoot me in the ass.
They were shooting.
You coming down for the free hug you just shouted out?
Who's giving it 300?
This one here.
I mean,
I told you it's coming down for it.
come on then.
Free hugs, we not.
Oh,